A set of good wheel spacers for Tesla has long been a popular upgrade for those seeking a wider wheel style and better handling. Wheel spacers are components inserted between the vehicle hub assembly and the wheels. By pushing the wheels and tires outward, they effectively increase the vehicle's track width. A wider track can provide several benefits, including improved stability, better weight distribution, and a more aggressive appearance. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. With this outstanding advantage, it's clear that BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers for Tesla offer exceptional safety, durability, and professionalism. Upgrade with BONOSS wheel spacer is a smart way to improve both performance and aesthetics. With the right size selections and active cooling technology, you get enhanced stability, better heat dissipation, and a safer driving experience.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.